All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Sports to No Manable Market, and this is April 13th. Actually, this is my son Lewis's birthday. I want to wish my son a very happy birthday. And so we got my son and myself born all in the same month, and his mother also is April 4th. So, anyway, let's talk about the markets. If you look on the day chart, we've seen this market break out. All right. I mean, it hasn't broken out with a big, huge day to the upside, but we've had now one, two, three higher days in a row. On a day chart, exhaustion looking like this that could go test, 2104. I'm looking for 2104, and then where this high came in, which is 2107. Okay, 2107's up in here. Okay, if you look at the daily. This is a daily profile without overnight action. You can see that we have had this consolidation range in here. We've moved out of it. We're actually trading above the value area high for the 20-day period. Mode has moved up to 2078. Looking for to go up to here on these 2107 area. I mean, that's what the market is looking like it's trying to do. As you know, I am a little concerned about that move because of the market structure that's down below. All right, so if I look at profile, this was Friday's action, buying tail, looked like a trend day until we made all this consolidation on the last part of the day. Had an ugly top. We took it out in the overnight. When you take a look at the overnight, high is 2097.75. We got the low of 2088 or 20, basically 2089 even. Okay, and so I'm concerned about these single prints here. We're going to use 2095 half as our bull bear zone, and if we just scroll back a little bit, bring this down just a little bit right here. So right here is 2101. This T top up here. We got a mode, high volume node here at 2103. And I think we got the high there of 2107. So those will be the targets if we move upward. Okay. As we move back to the mode, all right, we're right now moving from highs to lows. It looks like 2095 half being our bull bear zone. Um, it looks like the market wants to fill in this area down here. All right, this is an ugly bottom, and then of course we've got all the other stuff that we've been looking at for a while now. So all these single prints. So I will call it as I see it on the S&Ps as we move forward today. Like I said, I have been choosing to stay out of the market and not participate on the upside because of the loose structure on the bottom. Doesn't mean that you can't do what you do want, but make sure you're trading with stops. All right, quick look at oil. Okay, oil is rallying. 51.79 is our bull bear zone. We'll look at 51.67 as the top of value. 51.11 is the point of control. The bottom of value. And then 51 even down here is the point of control. So 51.79 we're using as our bull bear zone today in oil. If I show you this chart, oil has moved back up to the into that range that we were talking about. That's an upper part of the range. So there's a range basically from 52.43 up to 53.38. All right. Okay, gold. Let's bring gold in here. Gold's down a little bit. We're going to use our bull bear zone is 1204.80. Got to get back inside value at 1205.70. 1207.70 is going to be the point of control, and then 1208.90. 1208.90. So we're going to have to get back through the bull bear zone, 1204.90, back into value to sustain this rally that it started. So that's what we're looking at in gold. And then finally, the interest rate quadrant that does, again, here we go with bonds making a low, 162.19, and bouncing off that low. We will use 163.07 here as the bull bear zone, 163.11, all right, is the point of control, so 163.02 here, okay? And then up above, we have 164.05 as the top of value, okay? And then the point of control is 1604. They are like right on top of each other, so it's hard to see. All right, that's what we got with bonds. All right, so recapping S&Ps, once again, I think we've got to, if the trend is your friend, we got to stay with the trend, right? And the trend is up. It's going to have to get back inside of value and stay and struggle to get out of value to try to make any move to the downside. And we're all within right here. We've got the bull bear zone. We've got the top of value. We've got the point of control, all in this area. Okay. Here's my little band of the middle from Friday. So I think that under 2089 quarter, we will have a push to get down to the bottom of value, which is 2087.75. So, all right, everybody, have a good day, good luck, and happy trading, and stay with us on Twitter. Bye.